The materials needed in making FFG are 1 kilo of banana, knife and chopping board, ladle, bamboo glue, kinugay or molasses. We have an option. Manila paper and straws, and the last is weighing scale. Procedures in making FFG. First, get the collection fruits and chop into small pieces. So our collection fruit is banana. Second, put the half of the chopped fruits into a bamboo glue and add a half of the fruit sugar or kinugay. And again, put the other half of the fruits and add again the fruit sugar or kinugay. After that, cover the jar or bamboo glue with the use of plain Manila paper and tie it with the use of straws. After covering, vary the bamboo glue with 6 inches deep and make sure that it will not hit direct by the sunlight. And the last is, we will wait until 7 to 10 days. And the materials needed are chopping board, knife, ladle, fish, straws, marking pen, weighing scale, molasses, and the last one is bamboo glue. This is the steps in making fish amino acid. Chop the fish into small pieces so that it can be easily extracted. The next procedure is put the fish chopped in the basin, add 1 kilogram of molasses, or then thoroughly using a ladle. Make sure that all fish parts are coated with sugar so that it can extract it easily. The next step in making a fish amino acid is put the mixture in your jar. Next step in making FFA is cover the jar with plain Manila paper. Use as cover to allow some air to get inside the jar and the gas that is being produced during fermentation to escape. Preserve within 14 days in a cool, dry, shady place. Make sure that the storage is not infested with cockroaches or mice because they might feed on the mixture and contaminate the extract. Presentation is all about the fermented plant juice. The materials needed are kangkong, knife, chopping board, basin, kinugay, bamboo glue, straws, weighing scale, ladle, and empty container. fermented plant juice. Number 1, chop the kangkong into small pieces. The next steps in making a fermented plant juice is mix it with crude sugar until it dissolves. The next step in making a fermented plant juice is place the mixture in the bamboo groove. The last steps in making a fermented plant juice is cover it with a clean manila paper and tie it with a straw lace, and then bury it after 7 days. This is our presentation for making indigenous microorganisms. These are the materials needed for making indigenous microorganisms: knife, chopping board, manila paper, straw lace, crude sugar, cooked corn, weighing scale, bamboo groove, molasses. Indigenous microorganisms are after whitish moldy filaments have formed, transfer the entire contents in empty container and mix a kilo of crude sugar. Mix it thoroughly. After mixing, put it in a bamboo groove. After mixing the cooked corn and crude sugar, put it in a bamboo groove. Cover the bamboo groove with a clean manila paper and tie it with a straw lace. After tying, keep the bamboo groove in a dark, cold place. Let it ferment 7 to 10 days. These are the materials needed in making oriental herbal nutrient: knife, chopping board, gin, crude sugar or molasses, 1/2 kilo ginger, 1/2 kilo garlic, 1/2 kilo onion, plain manila paper, toddy, weighing scale. This is the first procedures in making oriental herbal nutrient. Chop all the spices in making oriental herbal nutrient. Put it into the bamboo groove and mix with 3 liters of toddy and covered it with a plain manila paper and tie it with a straw lace.
After 12 hours, mix it with 1 and 1/2 kilograms of molasses or kinugay. Then, cover clean manila paper and tie it with a straw lace. Then, buried it 6 inches deep. And in another day, add the gin after 4 to 5 days. Then, buried again after 7 to 10 days.
These are the materials needed in making calcium phosphate: eggshell, straw lace, plain manila paper, bone of fish, molasses or crude sugar, weighing scale, and vinegar. These are the procedure in making calcium phosphate. Broil the 1 kilogram of eggshell and 1 kilogram bone of fish until it becomes black color. Make the eggshell and bone of fish fine. Mix it with 10 liters of vinegar. Put it into the bamboo grove. Cover it with plain